Lumens, we make your job easier.
How to use DC136 as a webcam in video conference software. The video content will be divided into 4 parts. Preparations. Launch Zoom. Launch Microsoft Teams. Launch Google Meet. Step 1 Preparations. Equipment requirement. DC136, USB 3.0 cable. Download Zoom, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet according to your needs and install them. Some video conference software doesn't have mirror function. Before starting the software, please open the Ladybug 4K software for Windows or Ladybug 3.5 software for Mac OS. And go to Camera Settings. Find Rotate and select Mirror to flip your image. Launch Zoom. Open Zoom. Go to Settings. Click Video. Select Camera and set Lumens DC136 as video source. And you can start using Zoom as webcam. Launch Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Start a meeting. Go to Custom Setup Device Settings. Select Camera and set Lumens DC136 as video source. And you can start sharing the image on Microsoft Teams now. Launch Google Meet. Open Google Meet. Start a new meeting. Go to More Options. Click Settings. Select Video. And set Lumens DC136 as video source. And you can start using Google Meet as webcam. If you have any questions, please scan the QR code, or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime.
For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.